I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Welcome to Let's Google It, everyone, and today we're making pasta alla Vodka. It's an easy meal to make, a last minute meal, and everybody love it. So we're gonna begin chopping the onion and the garlic very fine. So fine chop garlic and onion. Your stove on the medium. Olive oil. Onion and garlic goes in, and we're gonna saute them. As soon as it starts coloring, like this one here, perfect. Now I'm gonna add the vodka, and let's cook out the alcohol. Whole tomatoes with the masher. Make sure they all mashed up and let it cook until become nice and thick like tomato paste. Now you can use, for a quicker way, you can use the tomato paste, but nothing better than the whole tomato. Yes, need little time, but it gives you amazing taste and the texture as well. Now we're gonna keep cooking until most of the water evaporated and become a little thick like a tomato paste. In the meantime, we're gonna start our stove here, bring the water to boil. Salt, always when you boil pasta, salt in the water. And here I'm using the shell pasta, and we're gonna boil it 7 to 8 minutes to keep it al dente. Almost ready. Look at this, you see? Start thickening up. Now we're gonna add the flavor. But before I do that, let me scrub the side. Nice. A dash of tenderness, which is the salt. And all the measurement and the ingredients will be in the description box down below. A pinch of joy, black pepper, butter, heavy cream, Parmigiano Reggiano, mozzarella cheese, now let's mix it all together. Look at that beautiful color. It's kind of like rosé sauce. And let's not forget the chili flakes, so we'll keep Gigi's happy. The pasta ready. And the reason why we're using the shell, because you can see it's like kind of pocket, so when you eat them it's full of sauce. And you're still free to use another pasta, but I prefer this one. Let's mix it all together. Nice, look at this. Now if you think it's a little thick, you go ahead and add a little bit of the pasta water. That smells so good. Now ready to be served. So a little Parmesan on top and some fresh basil, and you all set to go. Wow, what a taste. All what is missing, nice garlic bread to dig in, and all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.